Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors and your Key to Memphis team. And today I just want to answer the questions on how do I get my home ready to sell. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, so welcome back. Just wanted to tell you 7 things that you can do to get your home ready to sell. I know we've kind of talked about it before in another video, but just wanted to add some things and refresh your memory. So the first thing is declutter everything. I don't know if you've read those books about Marie, how she talks about uncluttering everything and kind of living life simple. It's a pretty neat kind of thing book. I can send you the link for that if you're interested, but just to declutter. We live one way and sell another, so it's just kind of a different mindset as well. And the second thing is to have extra light bulbs on hand. I mean, you know how that goes. One goes out, then 3 more go out. So it's like if you just have those because you know you're going to get ready for a showing and light bulbs are going to go out. So it's always great to have all the lights on and the lamps on and different things like that. So it shows great. So that would be awesome. And number 3, to deep clean your house. You know, sometimes it's hard to get around to that with all of our busy schedules. Again, we have names of people that can help you through that because I know it's difficult to get everything done and get it ready, especially if you're on a time crunch to get it done. And then 4th, make an appointment with the handyman. Again, we have a list of that too, but we need little things. I mean, and it's funny, you know, people go, I know this needed to be done, but I just lived with it that way. So it's like, and we all do that. So just a little list, and the handyman that we have, you know, he can do all kinds of things. He can paint, he can fix things, he can do wood, gutters, you know, whatever you need done. So we've got somebody that can do that as well. And then again, it goes along with this to do touch-up painting. So if you're taking things off the walls, because if we have a lot of family photos and different things, we need to take that off. But he can touch up some paintings. So if you've got, you know, the paint from when you've painted before, sometimes we may need to paint rooms to get it neutral, but we do need to do, you know, some painting as a whole. And then staging your house. We have a stager, you know, that can come out. If you list with us or if you just do it on your own, I can send you a link on that. It's just kind of like when you go into a model home and you're looking at how the house looks and walking through. It doesn't really look like it's lived in, so that's one thing that's a little bit different. But we're trying to, you know, get it ready in that aspect. And number 7, again, depersonalizing your house. So just getting rid of a lot of family photos. People can get caught up in who you are and what you do and those kind of things and not really get to look at your house really well. So it's kind of just taking a step back from that. So anyways, those are the 7 things. If you have any questions or you want links to all that, you know, just reach out and let us know. Our team's happy to help in any way. The number's 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.